welcome back to another vlog. I think this is going to be Vlogmas day maybe 17. Is it? Yeah, Vlogmas day 17 because today is the 16th. Today's the 16th, so yes, this will be tomorrow's vlog. Vlogmas day 17, y'all. The days are starting to run together. Do you hear me? Run together. So this is, I'm trying to keep back up away from camera, but just because of the angle I have, you guys, because my big tripod's right here and I just definitely ain't doing it. But it's morning time. I need to straighten up the kitchen real quick. So in the morning when I first get up, because I know I'm off tomorrow, and since I worked a later shift today, so I can have a slow morning tomorrow, and plus I have some things I have to do tomorrow. I got up early today and I'm just like, you probably have the washing machine going and the dryer because I'm washing the sheets on the bed. So I want to do that today so I won't have to do it tomorrow. And then in the morning time, naturally, when I get up, I kind of put up, well, I do put up like all the dishes from the night before. That should be dry by now, and then straighten back up the dining room table and then stuff like that. So I need to do that real quick. And then I'm gonna do probably some devotion, but yeah, let's straighten up this kitchen, girl, because I need to get this done before I start work. Okay, what's wrong with my neck? What's wrong with my neck? Hey y'all, so I'm on my lunch break. It is 2, I don't know if y'all can see that, but 2:49. Man, those 4 minutes went by fast, y'all. Shoot. I'm about to make me some not breakfast, y'all. What am I about to make? Some lunch. I need to make me a salad. I messed around and put my chicken in the freezer. So I thought it was supposed to be frozen. Let me see. It says cheese strips in a non-stick skillet on medium for 3 to 5 minutes. Yo, I need to do that. And I need to cut up my lettuce. Because you know, last vlog I told you that I was going to cut my lettuce up. Guess who didn't do it? Me girl. Me girl. And you see all them dishes back there? Them all came out the dishwasher. I don't know why my dishwasher don't be drying my dishes all the way. Like, bruh, what you doing? Y'all got one of these? Y'all need to get y'all one of these. I love this spinner, so y'all. Let me tell you, today is today. I cannot wait to be off work tomorrow. You hear me? Baby, today is making me get ready to take a vacation day. Like, no lie, I put in another day because y'all stressing me out today. You know what I mean? Y'all are stressing me out today, and it's requiring me to just, y'all doing too much, okay? Doing too much for absolutely no reason. But let's cut this up real quick, y'all. Yeah. Now make sure y'all wash y'all lettuce, man. So I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna need to rinse it out. I'm actually going to cut up 2 of these because I ain't gonna want to cut it up tomorrow. Onto the sink. Alexa, set a timer for 6 minutes.
6 minutes, starting now.
All right, y'all, so I'm finished. I still have some chicken in there still cooking. So here's the salad. I just have chopped up romaine lettuce, boiled egg, the chicken, some olives, not black olives, but of course the olives, the red onions, pepper jack cheese, and I did balsamic vinaigrette. But anywho, this is my salad for today. Yo, what saves me is like having boiled eggs in the refrigerator already. All you gotta do is peel it, put it in the microwave about 10-15 seconds, boom. So this is like my quick lunch here. I don't know if we have any croutons or anything like that, but let me check. Okay, so that's enough. But anywho, I'm about to eat my lunchy lunch here, and then I'll probably see you guys when I get off work, which should be like 7:30 or 8 o'clock, y'all. But this is true in the day in the life of working from home, okay? Because listen, if you have your lettuce already chopped up, so tomorrow, even though I don't work tomorrow, all I have to do is my chicken is cooked, just put everything on my salad. But this is what happens when you slip and don't do it when you're supposed to do it. But I'll be back. Hey y'all, so it is almost 8 o'clock and I'm off work. Yo, so ready to be off. So glad to be off tomorrow. But guess what hubby got me? So I don't know if I was telling y'all or I was telling him. He said I was telling him, but I don't remember. That we have 2 Christmas trees, one in the living room, one in the den, but I said I wanted one in the office. So I was working and he brought it to me. I was like, he got me another Christmas tree to put in my office. I don't care what day it is, okay? Today's the 16th, so tomorrow's 7th. Today's 16th, so it brought me a little cheers. You guys know, if you watched one of my video maybe 2 days ago, how I feel about this time with this, about today. That video, you gotta go back and watch it. That video is about what happened today. So if you wanna know what I'm talking about, you gotta go back and watch that video. So, it brought a little cheer from my life, like a little joy. So, have me a 3rd Christmas tree. We're about to put it up real quick. So yeah, let's get started.